Take a look at the coolest cars from RiiRoo today. Due to the popular demand of the other Lamborghinis we sell, we just had to start selling the brand new Lamborghini SIAN battery electric ride-on car. This is only the Italian marque's first production-bound hybrid, but also it's considered to be the most powerful road car ever. We were really impressed with the Aventador that we already sell, but were equally blown away by this rare beauty. It's suitable for children of up to 6 years of age or up to 115 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, functioning horn, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. Padded leather style seats. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. The Lambo style doors have an integrated hydraulic swing arm, making this model stand out from the crowd. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. The 3-point safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. The 2- and 4-wheel drive switch allows the power to be restricted to the motors. The Bluetooth connectivity features allows you to connect a phone or tablet to play music. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.